one.
No.
Trying to D. Yes. How about this one? And then he can even do. Good job. How about that one? Oh my goodness, we have a letter explosion. Very good. And then Luke, if you turn it this way, then what letter? N. Well, so yes, good boy. Yeah, and then upside down it's M. Yeah, he's got a little tail. Very good. Oh my goodness. You're almost at the end of the bag. Well, he's been fooling around.